Hello, it's Nigel. We're going to do baby rhyme time together today, and before we do, I'd like to do an acknowledgement to country. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on Gubby Gubby, you Danby ground. All right, so you're ready to do our little welcome song? Ready, 1, 2. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Very good. Okay, a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. All right, now I know a song, Humpty Dumpty, and Teddy's going to help me with this one. Okay, 1, 2. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Plonk. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Oh, very good if you sang along with that one. Okay, this one here, I will use my hands. We're going to do the song Open, Shut Them. You ready? 1, 2. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Very good. Okay. Now this one here is I'm a little teapot. Okay. Yeah, we'll try and do this one. So if you've got room, you can stand. Okay, 1, 2. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me over, pour me out. Very good, good job. All right, now this one is about a bus. The wheels on the bus. Okay, let's try. Do some actions with me. 1, 2. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way to town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all the way to town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all the way to town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all the way to town. The driver on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The driver on the bus goes shh, 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 all the way to town. Good job, everybody. Well, I've had so much fun again doing these rhymes with you. We'll do the little tickle song and we'll have to farewell. Yeah, here we go. A tickle for your toes. Again, a tickle for your nose. A tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high. A great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Bye.